Hello everyone, my name is Ravindru Livera and I'm from Sri Lanka and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's in data analytics and artificial intelligence at Brittsimperial University College. I'm going to share my experience with all of you. Studying in UAE has been an incredible experience. The country not only provides high quality education but also endless opportunities for academic and professional growth. Universities here are equipped with the modern facilities and experienced faculty, creating a learning environment that fosters innovation and critical thinking. One of the most enriching aspects about the UAE is about the diversity. Students from various nationalities come together to collaborate, share ideas, and learn about each other's cultures. This multicultural environment adds great value to our education and prepare us to thrive in a globalized world. Additionally, the UAE is a thriving hub for innovations, businesses, and technology, and especially in the fields like AI and data analytics. There are so many career opportunities to students like me to gain skills and experiences in these dynamic industries. If you are looking to build a successful future in a world-class environment, UAE is the ideal place to start your journey. Thank you.